it's Jennifer, and today I have my Yarnable subscription. It's by Hypnotic Yarn. So let's take a look and see what came in. Oh, this is exciting. I can't wait. So the yarn comes in a bag, and then we have an extra bag with some goodies in it. So let's take a look and see what our goodies are, just because I can't wait. So the first thing that we got is a bag. That's adorable. Look at that. S'mores. S'mores. And there's 2 zippers. So we'll open those up. And there's 1 and 2 pockets. And it feels like it will be waterproof. So this is great. That is great. I am going to use this for transporting snacks in my knitting or crochet bag. That's great. I love that s'mores. That's adorable. And we get our card with our little Q&A, and we get to scratch off a coupon. And this is adorable. Oh, mine's a little squished. This is a marshmallow that you put on top of your hot chocolate or tea or coffee. And it's vanilla, and my marshmallow got squashed, but that's okay. I like that. Oh, and then we got, what is this? Oh, s'mores dips. Nice. So let's see what we do. You combine this bag with cream cheese and whipped topping and blend together and chill for 2 to 3 hours and eat with animal or graham crackers. That sounds lovely. I think I'm going to do that with some animal crackers. Just saying. That's such a froggy thing to do. And now for the piece de resistance, the yarn. And here is the yarn. And look at that. That really, whoa, that's blowing out. Come on, camera. Oh my. This is the yarn. And I got it upside down. And it is called Laugh S'more, Worry Less. There is the colors. And that is gorgeous. And of course I get the DK weight. It is 85% superwash merino, 15% nylon. And there is 246 yards per 100 grams. But that is beautiful. I really, really like this. That is going to be really pretty to work with. This really goes good with that bag. I really, really like that. So, we got the bag. We got the yarn. We have some s'more dip to go with it. We got a gigantic marshmallow to put on a cup of hot chocolate. If I can hold that there. That is like super amazing. And of course we always get the bag to keep our yarn in. And we have the card where we can get a pattern or what have you. Let's see if it's got any other information about it before I drop everything in the floor. Let's see. Post pictures. This is great. Did you know the first record of a s'more is in the Girl Scouts Handbook, Tramping and Trailing, and goes all the way back to 1927. Wow, that's really cool. I like that. So I really love their theme for this month. I really love the s'mores theme. I think that's fantastic. So this has been a whole lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed as much as I do. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.